to DIY with Aurea and the blue.
I went to the Dollar Tree to purchase some of these placemats and look at the variety that they have. I took several of them home and now let's go ahead and get crafting. For the first one, I just took this plate and I'm doing a circle around the wreath, and this way it's going to be much easier for me to come with my scissors and cut this axis off. And today's all about crafting my stash. So this little tray here I purchased, I think it was like 2 years ago at the Dollar Tree. It was $1 back then. So I purchased 4. I still have all 4 of them and I've been crafting with them. And as you've seen, I added plenty of hot glue and then I glue it right inside the tray. And I'm also gluing this rope. And once that was done, I also have these little beautiful cream color flowers. I'm gonna be adding hot glue and then just adding them right where those two ends meets, and I'm just trying to hide the imperfection. And then this will be, my dear friends, this was nice and simple, yet I am liking the way it turned out. And here's the final review. I hope you enjoy it.
And if you like you see, hit subscribe and share. It's free to join, so don't delay. Come craft with me.
So I also took this from my stash. This has been sitting around unfinished and now it's time to make it happen. So I'm sanding the whole inside. I'm trying to make sure that I don't have anything that's going to look ugly, so I'm sanding it down. And then this placemat, I just took out just a little piece just to make sure that it fits inside that picture frame. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side for now that it's cut to size and I know that it's gonna fit. In the meantime, I'm gonna come in with this acrylic black paint and I'm gonna be painting almost the entire picture frame except the middle, only because I'm gonna be gluing it and I want to make sure that it's going to adhere to the placemat. My dear friend, today is another Craft Your Stash open invite, and this takes place every single month. It is being hosted by Sunflower Tasha DIYs along with Joanne's DIY Life, and today I am guest hosting DIY with Aurea. I'm gonna be leaving the links down below in my description box for your convenience. Please make sure to visit the playlist and give them a lot of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. And did you see that I came in and I already distressed it with white chalk paint? And then this middle hook here, I'm taking it out because I'm going to be locating it. And now with more of this school glue, it's the same thing as Mod Podge if you ask me. So I am adding plenty. I'm going to spread it around with this sponge. And then once it's done, then I'm going to turn it around and place it right on top of this picture frame because it is a picture frame. By the way, guys, after I cut the border, you see, I kind of like fixed that border. Yeah, so I took everything extra and I just cut right where that gray line was at. I think it looks a lot more classier. I also have these bamboo sticks. I'm still looking for that perfect gray color by mixing black and white. And then once it's mixed, then I'll give it one coat. Now that the bamboos are completely dry, all I'm doing is measuring with my pen and just tracing a line right there, and then coming in with my Mata shear and just go ahead and cut it to size. Now with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to be gluing this bamboo stick, and I'm going to do that to all 4 corners. Well, guys, what do you think about this one? I think this is beautiful. I am going to be decorating my kitchen, so that's why I'm doing kitchen projects on this video. And here's the final review, my dear friends. I hope you like it.
Hit subscribe and share. It's free to join, so don't delay. Come craft with me.
This third project is so simple, yet it came out so beautiful. And again, I'm crafting for my kitchen because I'm going to be redecorating it. I have these 2 picture frames. I'm going to be taking them apart, and then with another placemat in the back section of this picture frame, I'm tracing it twice. I'm coming in with my scissors cutting off what I traced, and this is what I'm going to be using for the inside of these picture frames. And again, as you see, I'm going to be mixing again the white and the black, creating a gray color, and then I'm going to be giving it one coat to both of the frames. After I created this gray color and I painted the frame, I noticed that it wasn't the color, so I came back and I added more black paint, creating a darker gray. So let's go ahead and assemble all of this together. Look at this. I like this placemat. This is so beautiful. Dollar Tree has such beautiful wall stickers. I've collected several over the years, but these mason jars, they just stole my heart. Absolutely perfect for this project. After looking at these mason jars and placing it right here, later on I came back on this first frame and I relocated them. But yes, I used 2 of them on each frame, and then this was it, keeping it nice and simple. I'm not adding no bow, none of that. The good thing about these stickers is that you could always relocate them if you don't like them where you place them at, like I did to the first frame. Now this one here is so beautiful. I'm going to be placing this one right on top, and then the smaller one right below it. And then I have a plain wall that I want to redecorate, so this 2 frames are going to go both on that one wall. Nice and simple. Look at this. So let's go ahead and relocate this one. All I did was just peel and restick. I like the way this looks right now. See how simple it is? I mean, you can always peel it and stick it right back in, and it doesn't lose, you know, the adhesive that it has in the back. Look at this. And then the teaspoon right up here. You see that? These stickers are very forgiving, and I love this project. I hope you love it too. Let me know in the comment sections your thought. I hope you enjoy it.
Your flair. And if you like, you see, hit subscribe and share. It's free to join, so don't delay.
So I have some of this placemat left over, and I'm going to be using it to create. When you go to Home Depot, they give you these floor samples for free, and this is where I got this from. I am adding plenty of this school glue or emerald glue, however you want to call it. To me it looks like Mod Podge, so that's what I'm using. And then all I do is cut these placemats to size and then just place them right over it. Nice and simple. What do you think about this? I could add, or you could add wood beads and make it a riser. I didn't think it was necessary and I left them just as is. Later on I came and I sand the excess off, and that was it, my dear friends. What do you think about this one? Guys, will you add some wood beads in the bottom, creating legs and making it look as a riser? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to know.
Come craft with me, let's DIY today.
For this next project, this is supposed to be a pumpkin. I got this at the dollar store. I got 2 of them. So all I did was remove this little stamp right here, and I'm going to be creating a rolling pin. So all I did was add some hot glue and placed it right here in this corner. With the other piece that I have left over of this placemat, this is the piece that I'm going to be using here. And again, I'm going to just go ahead and spread this emerald glue in the entire piece and then place it. I came back like about an hour later, and then I cut all the excess off and then started decorating it. And of course, I'm going to be using my X-Acto knife for that. And then once that is done, then I also have some jute cord twine. I am going to be wrapping both of these corners that you see here. I also have some stickers, and I'm going to be creating the word eat. So I'm going to be placing it right in the middle. And of course, I'm using this painter stick just to guide me. And this is the way it turned out. But I also have this little jar, and it's made out of glass. I'm going to place plenty of hot glue right here in the back, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it right by the T. And I also have some greenery. And this is it, my dear friends. Let me know what you think about this project.
So grab your glue and come along. We're crafting joy where it belongs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, leave a comment, share, and don't fret. It's placemat magic all through.
My son gave me this terracotta pot and I am loving it. I'm going to be using this ivory color and it is chalk paint. I'm going to be giving it one coat only in the bottom section, and then on the top I'm going to use a different color. I also have this brown acrylic paint, and then I'm going to be painting the lid and part of the inside as well. And now for this one, I'm going to be using some peeling sticks. I'm placing these leaves right here in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and put one on each side. And I also have a butterfly that I'm going to be putting right in the middle. I'm coming in with some white chalk paint and I'm going to be heavily distressing the entire piece. My dear friends, I also want to remind you of the playlist is down below in my description box. I also want to thank Tasha and Joanna for putting this playlist together and inviting me to be their guest host. And now it's time to remove these stencils right here. Well, I used them as stencils, but they're stickers. And then this is it. Look at how gorgeous it turned out. I think it looks pretty, not too much, just perfect. And then once that is done, then I'm gonna go ahead and start filling it in with some succulents. Well, my dear friends, if you are still here, you are a true hero. I truly hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. It really helps out. Let me know in the comment section which of these 6 projects was your favorite. I always love to hear from you. Until the next time, I will see you in my next video.
Placemat magic, frame it with flair. Crafty creations made with love and care. Tasha and Joanna, thank you so much for the invite and your special touch. We're crafting joy where it belongs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, leave a comment, share, and don't fret. It's placemat magic all through and through. Made with love, just for you. Guest host joy, I feel so blessed. With Tasha and Joanna, I'm their special guest.